Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Dear student, today our topic is Exercise 3. Exercise 3 question number. You see, Exercise 3 question number 26. Question number 26 and lecture number 41. Example number 40. Okay, let's at first we read the questions. The base and height of a parallelogram are 40 meter and 30 meter respectively. Define parallelogram along with drawing. B number, determine the area of the parallelogram. C number, if the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of a square, that means the area of parallelogram is equal to the area of a square, find the perimeter of the square. Okay, at first the definition of parallelogram. A quadrilateral are is called parallelogram. Next one, you look, a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other is called parallelogram. Okay, now we have to draw the parallelogram. So you can draw like this way. Okay, dear student, look, give the name A, B, C and D. Okay, in the figure A, B and C they are parallel. Okay, and B, C and A, D are also parallel. Okay, right, in the figure A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Now B, determine the area of the parallelogram. Okay, right, given that a base the base of the parallelogram is 40 meter and height of the parallelogram is 30 meter. Okay, therefore area of the parallelogram We know area of the parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Base into height. Here base is 40 meter and height is 30 meter. It is equal to what? Okay, this is the answer. Right. Square meter. Now we see the question number C. If the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of square, okay, that means area of square is equal to the area of the parallelogram. Okay, right. From B we got area of the parallelogram is square meter. Okay, so area of the square. Dear students, see the question. The area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of square. That means, therefore, area of square is 1200 square meter. Okay, this is the area of the square. Now we have to find you see the question number C. You have to find the perimeter of the square. Okay, look, let the length of the length of the square is a meter. Okay, a meter. Therefore, the area of the square is how much? One side into one side. Okay, one side into one side, that means A into A, right? A into A is equal to what? A square meter. Okay, now we have to write as per question. A square, this is the area of square, and this equal to what? 1200 square meter. Right here, 1200 square meter. Taking square root on the both sides, right here, taking root on both sides, or A. Just you look, 20 square. 20 square, that means what? You see, 20 square, that means 20 into 20. This is equal to what? 400. And if you multiply 3, then this will be 200. 1200. So write here 3. Okay. Okay, A equal to what? Square and root vanish, and root 3 is remaining. Okay, that means the length of one side of the square is A equal to 20 into root 3 meter. Okay, now but what is the question? Find the perimeter of the square. Okay, right. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 4a meter. This is the formula. The perimeter of the square is 4a meter. If one side is a, then the perimeter of the square is 4a. Now 4 into 4, a equal to what? A equal to 20 root 3. 20 root 3. Okay, multiply 80 root 3 meter. Yes, student, root 3 means 1.732. If you are taking the square root of 3, then you get 1.732 meter. Okay. If you multiply 80 into 1.732, then we get 138.56 meter. Okay. Okay, you write the answer. 138.56 meter. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. You see the HW number 40. Exercise 3, page number 55, question number 26. That means which is drawn today. That is your HW. Dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home and you abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.